everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. Today I am going to prepare chicken manchurian with the gravy. I have taken 1.5 kg chicken, cleaned well, mixed turmeric, red chili powder and little bit salt. Now let us add the other masalas. Add 1 egg into it, 1 cup all-purpose flour, maida, 1 cup corn flour, 1 tablespoon chilli paste, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half lemon extract. Mix all the ingredients together. Add 1 teaspoon soya sauce, half teaspoon salt and keep in the refrigerator at least for half an hour. Kept half an hour in the refrigerator. I am going to fry the chicken in microwave oven to avoid using more oil. I have preheated the tawa, added chicken piece into it, add 4 teaspoon oil, deep fry the chicken. Place the tray inside the microwave oven. Close it. Keep for 10 minutes. Prepare the gravy. Heat the kadai. Add 1 teaspoon ghee. Make the flame low. 4 teaspoon oil. Add onion. Fry the onion until it becomes translucent. Add a pinch of salt. Saute well. Crush ginger, garlic and green chilies. Here I have taken 2 inches ginger, 20 garlic and 3 long green chili. Onion almost done. Add sliced 1 big capsicum into it. Mix well. Let's check the chicken. I kept for 10 minutes. Chicken not fried well. Let us add 2 teaspoon oil. Close it. Let us keep for 9 minutes. Add crushed ginger, garlic and green chilies. This paste always gives good flavor to the masala. If you feel masala is dry, add 1 teaspoon oil into it and mix well. Make the flame on medium. Masala mix is ready. Let us add the chicken into it. Let us take out the chicken. Mix well. Add tomato sauce into it. Add soya sauce. Give a good mix. Let us make a corn flour paste. Here I have taken 3 tablespoons corn flour. Add into the bowl. Take 1 cup of water. Corn flour dissolve easily into the water. Add half teaspoon peppercorn powder into it. Mix well. Add corn flour mix into the chicken. It becomes very thick. Let us mix well. Add ground masala, water into it. Add spring onion into it. Keep the flame low. Let it boil for few minutes. Chicken Manchurian with the gravy is ready. Let us put off the gas. I have not added any artificial color to the chicken. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you.